One of the most interesting topics in the forum right now is watching the market internal, the tick, $TICK. This is basically just looking how many stocks are ticking up or ticking down at one time. And I think in the forum we have the extreme set at 1,000. I'm looking at 900 here, either plus 900 or minus 900 as an extreme. So plus 900 fade and scalp short, minus 900 fade and scalp long. It's been working pretty good. It's interesting to watch. Might coordinate it with something else later on, but for now I'm just gonna make a little video here watching live to see what happens today. Over here on the left is the ES, the S&P 500 mini futures contract. A little bit more bang for the buck than SPY, and on the right over here is the tick. And I'm gonna wait and see what happens today when we get an extreme. If we look here at 1 o'clock, that's Central Time. Geez, we hit close. The low 894. It's pretty close to 900. I don't know if a trade would have been entered there or not, but if we look here at 1 o'clock, that's when we had our bottom in the ES2, and so now from that bottom we've moved so far about 2.5 points. Just kind of watching it now, not making any great claims or anything. And then of course the next question would be with a scalp trade like this, well, how do you determine an exit? I went ahead and zoomed into a 1-minute chart here just to get a better look, and that's right at 103 that we get that extreme. And if we look on the chart, right at 103 is when we hit that bottom. The close there was 2013. So far we've moved up 2 points with very little pullback, which is nice too from a scalping perspective, because you want a risk to reward ratio that'll work, so you don't want to have to use a 3-point stop and a 2-point target, for example. So here we are a few minutes later, and again we had a nice bounce. We tend to get a nice bounce off these tick extremes. Just off the top of my head, maybe one target area would be a revisit of the high for the tick for the day, or the low vice versa, and cut there. I'm not sure, maybe just a standard 2-point target, 1-point stop loss, something like that. But I'm going to keep exploring the tick and the forum and see how it goes. Like I say, it's been pretty nice the last week.